Okay?
Yep.
You got it?
Shoot this with 6.
Now, take your finger off the trigger. Mind your fingers.
Send me also. Or self-load.
Now you can put it back. Leave that there. Now when you get the sighting, when you feel as though your sight is where it is, put your finger on the trigger.
Single action.
Yeah. Well, you see him on the up west.
Now you can pull it whenever you like. Slowly, that's it. Okay? Another one. Right, put your finger on the trigger, put the gun a bit there, that's it.
You can say it's hot. Vaseline to melt it.
Slowly squeeze it.
Keep going.
Alright?
I'll change the...
Right, who's next? You can have it on the top because it'll catch. That way it doesn't use
Lovely, on the ball, okay?
When they're riding.
Right, so work it again
The 2 ring.
and up. So don't worry about that. You ready to go again? That's all you do. That's just touching the ball at 3 o'clock.
No, I'll leave them like that. Not bad.
That's dropped it even lower.
Yeah, that,
So
Richard?
last shot, bring it up 2 or 3 inches. All right.
Two rounds you have, both just above the ball.
I think you dropped that one. Yeah, it's in the 9 ring, but it's come down to the left. Right. Just there. You see it?
What one?
The duck.
Right at the back?
No, the one in the middle.
Oh yeah, I see.
The head. No, you shoot the head.
Got him.
That's it. It's not powerful. Again.
That's noisy.
Let me show you what happens.
Oh, that gives more than what I thought it was going to do.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Load the pull up.
Right. Do you want another one?
Yes,
Your
please.
one
First.
Your hand will be in there.
Take 6.
That's the next bullet.
One.
Next bullet.
Then pull away the trigger.
Oh yeah, bang. Alright.
Little favour to unload.
Now this is the red dot side. Electronic red dot. So what you'll do,
What you got there?
have a look through it.
Patch
That powder nowadays is far more efficient.
And you'll see a red dot.
on the ball.
The sort
You
of
get the
powder
red dot on the black,
required a
then
cylinder
it's bagged.
full of powder.
Yeah. Obviously the red dot will be in the centre.
We use this semi-angle for a filler.
As close as you
The
can get
ball
to it.
sits nicely.
Finger on the side, that's it. Stretch your arms, take your sight.
When you're done, I'll let you cock it and load it.
Okay? Put your finger on the trigger. Slowly touch it. That's it. That's better, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, better.
Yeah.
Eight ring.
Yeah.
3 o'clock. Yeah, you got it. Well done.
Thanks.
Okay. I'll bring a cap over.
That's right. Okay, catch me. Same as last time, yeah? Yeah.
I said, could you hold that?
So after that, when you pull the trigger, it will go bang. Yeah. Okay? You've got 3 shots in there. Comfortable.
Look good. Look good.
Yeah, same place.
Is that the gun you've got in your
Too
hand?
far to the right.
That's it. Just sit there. Okay, you go grab a look at your target. Go for it.
Ha ha ha!